Ralph here once again, and what I did is I wrote a real simple program designed to build a portfolio that has a low correlation. So you want to shoot for companies that have low correlation that match and produce a return in the middle of the COVID crisis with as little volatility as possible. And I'll post all this code online for you to play with, and let's give it a run through. And again, it's designed just to randomly match stocks on the entire Dow Jones. And here's the code, which I'll post on my YouTube channel just for fun. And here we got something coming up. And there it is, randomly matched. So you can imagine running this thousands of times to build a perfect portfolio that is low in systematic risk as possible. Let's go to the third run, see what comes up. You get some crazy combinations come up too. And there we are. Have fun, enjoy. All the code will be online. Ralph signing off, and I'll see you all later on. Bye.